Welcome to the Independent Seaport Museum, where history comes to life along the Delaware River. Our team from KMC Partners is proud to have partnered with the museum on multiple projects that not only elevate the overall experience of visitors, but also preserve history for future generations. That is why we couldn't be happier to announce that we are the presenting sponsor at this year's Cocktails and Crustaceans, an annual fundraiser benefiting the museum. Before we talk more about the event, let's take a look back at some of the work we've done together.
What you are currently seeing is the museum's new main entrance and lobby, which is our first project here. Opened in the spring of last year, the entrance more closely connects the building to the historic ships, plus offers an up-close and personal connection to the Delaware River for visitors. Inside the lobby, we incorporated a sleek design and interactive elements that enhanced and streamlined their entrance to the space.
Olympia, a 19th century cruiser and the oldest floating steel warship remaining in the world, is a true piece of naval history. The carpentry work we recently completed on the pilothouse was a project close to our hearts. We meticulously restored its historical charm, ensuring that guests for years to come can climb aboard and have the same sense of awe and amazement that people feel today.
We kept in mind the importance of providing visitors with a memorable and pleasant shopping experience when we designed the new home for the museum store, making sure it is a must-see before leaving. Our team crafted a space that reflects the museum's spirit, complete with unique displays and engaging elements. At KMC Partners, we understand the value of preserving heritage. Our collaboration with the museum reflects our dedication to honoring the past while building for the future. We are looking forward to celebrating that spirit at Cocktails and Crustaceans, taking place this year on Thursday, May 22nd, from 6 to 9 p.m. at the Independent Seaport Museum. We hope to see you there.
Together, we forge a legacy
That sails through time,
Embodying the spirit of
Innovation and preservation.